How to find downloads on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Manager. In here, you'll find Download option beside Documents and Recent. Simply click on Downloads and find any downloads in here. Or if you have downloaded it from the Google and you don't find it here, simply open Chrome. Then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. After that, simply click on Downloads and you'll find all your downloads in here of your Google Chrome. These are two ways to find downloads. From here, simply click on any downloads you want to find and you're good to go. This is how to find downloads on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.